Chalky's gearing up here. He's got the full mountain bike attire on.
Oh, let's do it. Come on, stop the video. Let's go.
Before you go, let somebody know where you are. Yes. You checked the trail conditions and forecast? I think so. You have checked your bike and equipment? Yep, brand new. You're wearing the right gear? We wearing the right gear?
Yep.
Right, okay.
For 3 degrees, we ain't.
You've got water and snacks? Yep. You have a punctured repair kit? Nope. You have a first aid kit? Nope. Rightio, here we go. This is our maiden voyage with the mountain bikes, and we're going from Anison Bay Road through to Swimcart Beach. So it's 22 kilometres. It's about 14 kilometres up a hill. We're not bike riders, as you can see. So this could be interesting, eh, babe? So it's 3 degrees here at the moment. Yeah, so we will just wait and see what happens. Hey, you can only try these things, and if it doesn't work out, then we just call for help. Enjoy this video as we make our way through this mountain bike trail, our first mountain bike trail here in Tasmania. Whew, hopefully it's one of many, and we'll go from there. Hey, catches, and let's go. Oh, fuck. What have I got myself into? Oh, fuck. I can't do that.
Oh, check out, dude. Hit it, baby, hit it.
Oh.
Keep going, keep going. I don't like it. What? You're going good there.
This is not good. Oh, no, there's a ledge. No. Oh, fuck. I'll be there yet. Too much when you get. That's over. We'll see you in a minute. Dirt track cowboy! Fucking hell! Oh, this is nice though. Like I said, I'm not a mountain bike rider, but this will hopefully inspire us to keep going. This is really nice. It is a nice ride through here. And you don't have to go 100 miles an hour. You can stop, take in the environment, take all the scenery in, have something to eat, and do all that sort of stuff. How much? Oh no, we've only done 2 kilometres. So we've got another 20 to go. Holy. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit! Oh. Do the wheel stand like that, buddy, look. Oh, fuck! Oh, I can't. Oh, fuck. Back to you, Richard. I didn't take that corner very well, that one. That was a sharp doozy of a corner. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, so pretty through here. Oh, just gotta watch where I'm going instead of the scenery. Don't look down over the edge and you'll be right.
Just turn around on the edge.
What if we got a steep one? Oh, fuck.
This is awesome, man.
Oh, look, the hub's in there. Gotta concentrate here. I don't want to go falling over the edge. Fuck, jeepers. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck me. I can do this. I can do this shit. Lord. Oh yeah, we're just going to take it slow down here. This is like the Jacob's ladder of mountain biking. Fuck! Can't do that one. And I'm just going to wheel it down. Got into mountain biking straight away, so I'm a little bit nervous with this shit. Yeah, I know, I whipped out. Would have broken my bloody neck coming down there. Just look how steep it is. Like, yeah, right. You think Chalky could have warned me about that one? Oh, fucking hell, there's an edge. So I'm riding right along the edge here, and it's, oh, fuck me. Oh. Anyway, whose bloody idea was this? If you're only new to mountain biking, just pick a trail that's easy, right? Not anything like what I've done here. So not fair. Chalky gets to rest. Right, Sue had a first stack. Just let me have a rest here. I'm enjoying the scenery. Okay, had the first stack as we sort of got to the top of the hill. That's right, no major injuries I don't think. But yeah, sort of halfway there. We've been on the track for about an hour and 20. So we're going alright, I reckon, for amateurs.
I'd like to apologise to all the mountain bike people now. I know why you love it. It's awesome.
Check out this bike. It's a live bike. Instead of a Giant, it's a live. So it's been awesome. See, it's powered by Yamaha. So you never know where you'll find Woody's Bumnut campers, whether we're chasing waterfalls or scuba diving, paddleboarding, or even mountain biking now. So you just never know where you'll find us next. So stay tuned for our next little adventures, because, you know, we're always doing something. And these mountain bikes are just so awesome, and we're really enjoying them. So I dare say we'll be doing some more mountain biking around Tasmania as well as on the mainland. So I've got a little accomplishment I want to do when we get to the mainland, probably a midlife crisis for myself. So anyway, stay tuned for that. So as we head off onto the mainland in about 6 months' time. Well, that concludes our day going from Anderson Bay Road to Swimcart Beach. Not the easiest mountain bike track to do for the first time, but I'm pretty proud of myself for actually a 2 stacks.
2 stackers?
But I'm actually proud of myself that I didn't have to get airlifted out of there and actually made it here. So, yeah, pretty happy about that.
Now for a beer.
Yeah, and I think a well-deserved wine as well.